Hello, it's me, and I'm back again. First thing we're going to do is moisturize our face because we are not on our way. We are about to be going to a Cali Uchis concert. Very exciting stuff. We always meet back here when there's about to be a concert, just rushed and dazed and confused. But right now I'm just moisturizing my face. I figured that this one could be more like a get ready with me, you know, kind of thing. But then again, it also is like 5:30 already. And my friend also wants me to do her makeup this time. So who knows how that's gonna go. But I believe in us. I believe in our abilities. I believe in how fast we can get ready because I'm known for getting ready fast. Like, you can tell me you want me to be somewhere in 30 minutes and about 20 minutes of that will be the drive. Because if it's like a close place or if it's happening here, like literally if you just tell me get ready, I can easily get ready in I've gotten ready in 7 minutes before. Fully ready, like got out of bed, brushed my teeth, washed my face, got dressed, did my hair. And my hair wasn't done then, so I did my hair in those 7 minutes. It's a talent, I know. It's really crazy, to be honest. My makeup will be inspired by her album cover, Red Moon and Venus. So I'm thinking, brainstorm with me. I'm thinking the moon eyeliner that I have will be utilized. I would really like to do something like this. I'll show her album cover, and then I'll also show the makeup look that I did before that I would like to recreate for this. But with the time that I have being realistic, I don't think it will happen. Okay, so I just checked the time, and we have about 15 minutes before she gets here. I put out my outfit. I put out, I couldn't find black shorts for the longest time because I'm also like moving kind of, and like I would show you guys my room right now, but it's really messy and the Jamaican shame in me won't let me show that. So you guys can see right here. That's all you guys need to see. So update, outfit is on. You guys can't see the rest of it because my room's messy, but just know it's a skirt and you guys will see it later.
It's not even messy.
It is. Listen, anyways, and then my friend is also here and I have to do her makeup. And she still has no idea of what to do. You don't even have like a clue.
I want lipstick.
You want lipstick?
I want lipstick.
From where?
I have lipstick.
Oh, you want her to put lipstick on you?
You brought it?
I did.
Whatever makes you feel better. Paint me as the villain if that makes you feel better. Okay, we're gonna get started on Sam first because I know I can do my own very quickly. I just don't want to mess hers up. So that's what we're gonna do first. But I hope you guys like the fit. Actually, I'll stand right here.
Simba.
Here's my fit. It's a little.
Simba.
It's a little high-low skirt. You guys can't see, but I promise it goes high then low. Anyways, I'll show you guys the finished Sam look. I will now do a little time lapse of the butterflies I do on her. Stop looking
I'm
at
so
me.
sorry. I'm so sorry. I will never do it again. I'm so sorry.
You're not sorry. You're not sorry in the slightest. Is my arm? Yeah, I'm covered. I'm gonna start crying. I'm gonna start crying and you're gonna be the reason. Yes, can you please just wet it? You didn't listen to me. You can't listen easily.
Oh, it looks terrifying from that angle.
Not answering this right now.
She was kind of
Go up close. Go up close and show the camera your amazing makeup. And close your eyes to show the glitter.
Oh.
Look at how so amazing and talented and so artistry. Done that in like 5 minutes. So now onto mine because I was delayed because of someone. Another time lapse. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I don't have time to decide.
She looks like an odd Kathy.
I don't want to do butterflies just like her, but I was gonna do butterflies.
Oh wow!
You guys should be twins. That's even cuter.
Twins?
That's even cuter, man.
Mine are gonna be bigger than.
No, she was basically saying she didn't want to do them because I had them.
Yeah. I'm a woman of
Butterfly
originality.
is the only option. Look at her hair. Freaking butterfly.
Should I do a different color then?
Mm-mm.
Red.
Mm-hmm.
She's not even wearing red.
Do white or something.
Yeah.
What did you just? No. What did you just say to me? Say it again. Say it again.
From the beginning, well, someone asked for gamer tags, right? And so I was giving him gamer tags, right? So Daddy's Princess 9x4,
Broward.
Dub Baby Girl, but every A is an @ sign, and then with this sign, and then with the 3, Sexy Left Elbow, Kneecap Thief, Lord of the Queefs, but every space is an underscore.
Oh.
That's all I came up with as of then.
I like that second to last one.
And what in the furry is going on?
The
That's not a real thing to say.
The art of furrynism is imitating.
What?
Furryism is an art now?
I practice that. But anyways, the art of furrynism is
My life can't be real. My life can't be real. I really want to add some of these moons. So I don't know where to add them though. Oh, actually I know where to add them.
And
Right there?
Gonna be there?
My friends? Yeah, one just texted me actually. But they're literally driving from Lake Worth.
Oh my god.
I was like, Callie wouldn't be seeing me. Callie Uchis would not be seeing me.
Are you proud?
How do we like this? How do we like this? I like my sister. She's my harshest critic. How do we like it?
I like it.
If the song isn't on TikTok,
I've already won.
Hi sisters, Jojo's here.
You didn't see that. And then now I'm gonna add some of this heaven to my cheeks.
No.
I just want to look like I dropped in pixie dust and I got up and no one saved me and I saved myself. And that's why I'm covered in
What's
glitter.
in the furrynism?
Nism. Okay, you're making up shit now.
She's converted to furrynism, you guys.
It's a religion?
You can practice whatever you want to.
Why are you interested?
Me? Or
I don't judge, you know. I think both of you guys are kind of interested. Oh my god, I do look like a little fairy.
Are you a her?
Huh?
Why do you sound like you have tears in your eyes?
I don't want to say it loud.
I think one of my people in my room just coughed up a hairball. So, wow.
I'm getting told what my gender is. Help. Help.
Sam, come here.
Gender doesn't.
Why are you holding my pot?
Gender doesn't equal pronouns.
I picked up. She didn't appreciate it.
My stainless steel pot.
I support.
So, do you think it looks better without glasses?
No, I need it for
You
glasses.
see, that's why you need to keep them on.
Me personally, I wouldn't accept that. Stop moving! Why are you moving it up? There we go. Alright, see you guys there. I think for today, I have to use my most magical lip tint that I own.
No, you're walking away.
Look at it, Sam. You see the lip tint?
Mm-hmm.
What are you up to?
Nothing.
She's touching my stuff.
No.
And you can slowly see it change colors. Look.
It changes?
Yeah, it's color changing.
It's clear.
And then now my lips are kind of red. All right. We gotta go. Just so you guys know, nothing has changed about Sam. I still was given gum from the bottom of her bag.
It fell out.
And why is it in my hand then?
Because it fell onto the console.
bag gum. All right. This is my finished look, though. You see a little glitter on the collarbones. Yeah. I hope you guys like the finished look. It's just like a little messy fairy moment, you know. We're getting gas, right? Well, not me. I'm a passenger princess, but she's getting gas. Yeah. And then we're on our way, but I'm hungry, so we might get Popeyes. If we do, I'll show you guys that. We are in the Popeyes drive-thru, and I just discovered that Sam does not like lip gloss. Tell the people why.
It feels wrong.
It feels weird. I'm just playing all her Kesha and Lady Gaga CDs. I don't know, but that's what we're on right now. Got big boxes from Popeyes, and hopefully we're on our way soon because we will be late. We will be late. But I'll update when we are there on time because I believe in us. I believe in her driving abilities. I believe in my perseverance.
She believes in Miami traffic.
Bye. We now have Popeyes in our possession. I'm so excited! Yeah, I'm gonna bust down and then let y'all know when we're there.
Which one did I drink? Butt check. That says Ackerman.
I'm gonna keep all this in. I didn't- Guys, I was hoodwinked, bamboozled, and what's the other word? Hoodwinked, bamboozled, hoodwinked, and bewildered and deceived. Tell me how. We get into the car and she pulls this out. What is this, you might ask? A poster. Then she proceeds to further pull out a shirt. I kid you not. If I could lie about anything, it's not this. I had zero clue. I had absolutely zero clue the entire time. We stopped and took pictures. We stopped and took pictures 3 times, and she held my stuff because I told her that I had stuff in my hand saying that, oh yeah, I'm holding stuff, can you please hold this? And she held it. Like, I kid you not, I put it on everything. And I don't do that. I had zero clue. I don't know how I can keep doing this. Because I tell her not to spend money, and she does. I'm really appreciative, but this isn't a laughing matter.
I was Houdini. I walked with that. I walked with it.
We entered a car. We left that car. I walked with you to the parking garage.
Yeah,
I didn't see anything.
That was hard.
I can't do this anymore. We're on our way home now.
Oh, did you want your spicy Sprite?
Do you want anything?
Yeah, water.
I want water. We're going to McDonald's. Just kidding. Why do you know this song?
I like spice. She's a very, very talented woman.
No, why do you know this song? Get me home. Get me home now. We are finally home.
I feel like a bottom girl
This
at a
is
club.
this is what the poster looks like. I still had. You would literally see the clip that I had zero clue. We literally have videos of us walking back from the venue, and there was nothing in her hand. Houdini. But yes, we got home safely. Here's the shirt, so I can show you guys. Here's the back with all the dates, and here's the front.
Her shoulder's glossy.
Hands down, some of the best merch ever. Really had a fun time. We didn't end up going to McDonald's because the line was wrapped around the building twice, like not even exaggerating. So I just got a Sprite at home because saving money is the best kind. I'm not gonna let Sam go anywhere now without me. That's number one. Number two, this was a really fun experience, and I love Cali Uchis without my heart. I love her so much. Let me do your makeup one day. Please, I'll do anything. Please. I'm manifesting it. Or manifesting it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next one. A lot of fun stuff coming up, so make sure to stay tuned. And do whatever you want to this video, you know? I want to be different. I want to be edgy. I won't tell you like, subscribe. I won't tell you share. I'll tell you, just love this video. Love it with your heart. And that's all I have to say, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!